Alright, let's take a look at what comes in a Cricut vinyl starter kit. It's from Cricut brand and it says 8 sheets of 12 by 12 vinyl in black, white, gold, and teal, 4 sheets of transfer tape, a weeder tool, a scraper tool, some designs and instructions. Just gonna slide this off. Comes in a cardboard box, which is kind of cool. It's like a drawer. And as you can see, we've got the materials inside. So here is the scraper tool and the weeding tool, which you use to pick out your pieces of your design after you printed them. Let's see if we can get this out. Then in the box we've got cut ready designs with code that you redeem. And we got some vinyl project instructions to make a mustache mug in different languages. And here we've got some vinyl. So here's the teal, we got black, gold, white, and the transfer tape that you can cut to use to transfer your design after you cut it out. So not a bad little box of items, and it's a useful box too. After you take it all out, you can keep your rolls in it and your supplies. Again, that is the Cricut vinyl starter kit. I got it off at Amazon. I'm sure you can buy it anywhere they sell Cricut items. Everything you need to make vinyl projects with Cricut Explore.